Good evening, class. I wanted to go ahead and go over a couple of announcements with you. First of all, mea culpa, right? I want to apologize for my last email and post in which I list Friedersdorf as a reading that's available to you. I actually deleted that from the class content because it is not in the it doesn't show as something that you need to read in the schedule of activities, so I removed it. The other reason why I removed it is that it's very good. It's a very nice reading. However, it prompts a lot of discussion, more discussion than we can handle right now. So maybe I decided to delete it simply so we could focus on articles and maybe even papers that will lead you towards the goal of achieving your oral history project, right? Which is what you should be focusing on right now because it is your major stakes, your higher stakes first assignment in that category. Okay. Now, another thing that I said is that you could go to, in this announcement, right, that you could go to Blackboard Collaborate and view past sessions, recorded sessions. And then guess what? During the session, when one student asked me, how do I access that, Professor? What do I have to do to access that, right? To have access to that. So what I did was I froze. And then now I remembered, right, that what you need to do is let's go step by step now. You are going to go to Blackboard Collaborate, click on it, right? And then instead of going to sessions, you're not going to go to sessions. You need to go to recordings right here, and then you can view all the recordings that you want, including the one that I had today with your great classmate Amelia, or the one that I had. Well, the one that I had yesterday is not showing here. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't record it. But oh yeah, the one I had yesterday is showing here. I had this other session with another great classmate with LaRue, so you guys can watch it. It doesn't have captions, but it's available for you to view. Okay. So once again, how do you gain access to previous sessions? Right. Once you are on the Blackboard Collaborate page, right? I'm going to go back to it. It automatically takes you to sessions. You do not want to be in sessions. You want to click on this menu and go down to recordings, right? And then from recordings, you can select whichever recording you want to watch, okay? So once again, once you get to Blackboard Collaborate, come to this menu right here on the left, okay? Thank you very much. This was my brief video for tonight. I hope everybody has noticed as a final comment that you have two types of discussions going on. You have both the discussions, which means the whole class discussion, and then you have the group discussion board, right? You are being evaluated for your participation for a grade in terms of these two, okay? I've spoken much more than I intended to, and I wish you a lovely rest of your evening and week, whatever time you're playing this. Thank you. Bye bye.